Hey Daniel, come here.
Yeah,
Show
what?
us your new shotgun.
Oh yeah.
Let me see
Look
that
at
thing.
this bad boy.
Nice.
This shoulder breaker.
Hey, what's going on, guys? We're out here shooting this practical, tactical, budget-friendly shotgun, and let's take a closer look at this beast. Alright, so here we have a Dickinson Arms XX3D home defense pump action shotgun with marine finish. It's got a silver look to it. It's got a 20-inch barrel and weighs about 6 pounds. We bought the grip, the Picatinny grip. It's basically just for a better grip and so we can load the ammo better. This thing is a lot of fun to shoot. It's a 5+1 round capacity, which means 1 in the chamber and 5 in the pump. But it also has a shot shell holder in the stock, which is very convenient when you're hunting. The shotgun comes with this case, and it's got a lock on the inside. Comes with the lock. Sweet looking case. Barrel's got this breacher style choke, and it's removable. There's a red fiber optic sight at the end of the barrel and a ghost ring sight at the back of the shotgun. Makes it easy to get on target. I heard that plastic ghost ring can snap and fall out from heavy hitting buckshot rounds, so we'll see how long this thing lasts. There's a heat shield right on top so that you don't burn yourself on the hot barrel by accidentally grabbing it with your hand. Synthetic pump is extra long so that you can effortlessly reload at any spot. Moving on to the Picatinny rail at the top for any type of optic that you might want to add, and another Picatinny rail on the synthetic pump for your flashlight or whatever you want to install. Safety button is easily activated and easy to get to. The best feature of the shotgun is the pistol grip. It's very comfortable. I love it. It's very ergonomic and rubber molded grip feels great. If your shoulder gets sore from shooting all day long, you can switch it up and shoot it from the hip, all thanks to this awesome pistol grip. Here's some studs at the end of the loading tube, and the other one's right there by on the stock. That's if you're planning on attaching a sling strap for shoulder carry. So for the price, you can't go wrong with the shotgun. I purchased it here on the West Coast at Big 5 store, and I paid $329 for it. Sometimes they go on sale and you can get them cheaper than what I paid for it. Those of you who already own the shotgun, feel free to share your honest opinion about it and tell us how much you paid for it. In the good old days, I heard some folks paid less than $200 for it, so yeah, hit the comment section and share your thoughts. Alright, so we're gonna go shoot some 2 3/4 buckshot and birdshot, and we'll see if there's a big difference. Alright, so let's go shoot this thing.
Let's go.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, I'm gonna toss up a bottle and see if my dad hits it. Oh yeah, beautiful. Nice. Oh, what do we have here? Birdshot. Probably what, like 6 feet?
Holy moly!
Gone.
That can just exploded.
Literally gone. Damn, alright. I guess if you're standing like 6 feet away, that's what it can do.
Okay, now let's do the buckshot.
That's insane. Wow. I don't want to hit the rock and actually. Double out buck. I'm gonna stand a little bit closer. Maybe you can go pop just like the birdshot. Oh yeah. Just like the birdshot.
And it's gone.
And it's gone. Look at that. I just ripped it to shreds. That's crazy. What a shotgun. That's insane. I'm gonna try this one from the hip and see how that feels compared to the shoulder. Because shoulder, you can feel that pretty well afterwards, but I guess kind of aim and then general vicinity. Boom!
Gone. Do the big one. Do the big one.
Yeah, do the big one.
All right. Good job.
There we go. All right, we're gonna test the shot pattern of this double up buck, 9 pellet. It's about like 5 feet away on this cardboard target. Let's see. Oh yeah, that blew a hole straight through. Oh yeah, look, you can literally see the wad. The wad that holds the pellet. Look at that. Oh yeah, it got stuck in here. That's sick. Come here. Need some pliers to get this out. It's stuck in the wood. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, there we go. Huh. That's what holds it. That's crazy. The fact that it went through this too.
Now let's try the bird shot.
Yeah, but look at that. I mean, the grouping is like that. This time we're going to see the shot pattern of some bird shot from same distance away. Oh, dang, that just blew a hole straight through. Look at that. Crazy. Just loaded up some more bird shot. Want a 2x4?
Yeah, 2x4. Go for it.
Oh,
Nice.
shit. That just toppled it. Even though we had some massive rocks on there. That's insane. We had these 2 big rocks here too. But that's insane. Actually crazy. You have to aim hella high, that's why.
Oh, you gotta aim
I just
high?
aimed like at least like 6 inches taller and it hit.